In the latest on the Ebola outbreak in DRC, 3 new vaccines are currently being developed to combat the rare Bundibugyo strain of Ebola as health authorities race to contain a deadly outbreak in Central Africa. The outbreak, centered in the Democratic Republic of Congo, has already claimed nearly 250 lives and is raising fears that it could become one of the worst Ebola crises in history. More than 1,000 suspected cases have been reported, while confirmed infections have also emerged in neighboring Uganda. Global health experts warn that the outbreak is particularly concerning because it was detected only after spreading through a conflict-affected region with limited healthcare infrastructure. There are growing concerns that the situation could rival the devastating West African Ebola epidemic of 2014 to 2016, which infected nearly 29,000 people and killed more than 11,000. 3 leading groups are now working on vaccine candidates targeting the Bundibugyo strain. These include the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative, the University of Oxford, and a pharmaceutical company, Moderna. Their efforts are being supported by the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations, which says rapid action is critical because every day counts in the fight against the disease. Each of the new vaccines is designed to train the immune system to recognize and attack a key protein found on the surface of the Bundibugyo virus. However, the 3 groups are using different technologies to achieve this. Moderna is using its mRNA platform, the same technology that played a major role in the rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines. The University of Oxford is also using a genetic code-based approach. Meanwhile, the International AIDS Vaccine Initiative is employing a harmless modified virus that carries Ebola proteins, enabling the immune system to learn how to recognize and fight the disease without causing illness. Scientists say these approaches are intended to give the body's immune defenses a head start against a real Ebola infection. However, extensive clinical trials will still be required to determine how effective the vaccines are and how many doses may be needed. To accelerate development, CEPI has announced funding of approximately $60 million for Moderna and the other research groups. The organization was also among the early backers of vaccine development efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, Congolese authorities say the number of confirmed Ebola cases has now risen to 321. In a related development, hundreds of people took to the streets of Nanyuki in central Kenya to protest plans of US to establish an Ebola quarantine facility at a nearby military base. The unrest comes just days after the High Court ordered a temporary suspension of the plan following a legal challenge, arguing that the proposed facility could pose a health risk to public.
We are not happy with the national government and the leaders of Laikipia County, all elected leaders. There is none that has shown up for the protest, because this is a great tragedy not only for Kenya, but the whole continent of Africa. It's a great tragedy, better cancer and HIV/AIDS than Ebola.